Hey, we're here at the Folsom basement project. We just had everything cleared out for demo. They're going to be taking out the drop ceiling, all the drywall on the walls, all the trim, everything you can see.
What we're going to do here is we're going to excavate the concrete floor for the lavatory, the toilet, and the shower. There's a 4-inch PVC sewer line underneath the floor that we'll be tying into, and we will get inspection on it and then backfill it with stone and re-cement the floor.
Plumbers just finished up. They did the concrete work after doing the rough-ins. They installed the supply lines. We're using a PEX system. We got the framing in for our bathroom. They framed everything out. We're going to put a pocket door in to conserve space. As you can see, here's our shower. The plumbers were in here, Sparkies were in. Not only did this room, but actually the main room as well. Drywall installers just wrapping up, putting up corner bead. Shortly, the spackle guy will be here, mudding all the walls, taping all the joints, and hiding all the screw holes. We're here with our flooring installer, Phil from Thomas & Boyd. He handmade these stair tread caps, so I wanted him to talk about it.
So what I've done is I devised a jig and clamping system back in my shop, and I custom bend any flooring so that you can have stair treads that match any LBK flooring that you pick out.
This is the finished basement remodel. Let's show you what's going on. We completely restructured the staircase. We added new floor treads to match the new flooring, these beautiful wrought iron railing balusters, and we painted everything over. Accent wall is made of reclaimed wood from old barns that's been completely recycled. And we added a full bathroom to the basement that wasn't here before.